The topic of today's video is Elon Musk's return to free speech in America. This is such a great story. This is a big deal, a very big deal, because we finally taken back some hope for actual free speech and, I don't know, journalism, but essentially free speech in America. The left has abused social media to cancel, intimidate, lie, suppress the truth. It's such a big deal that Elon Musk succeeded in his Twitter bid to take it private, because he's going to make changes, and he's such a visionary entrepreneur. He literally revolutionizes everything he gets involved with for the better. He obviously makes electric cars, makes space more affordable and expandable for industry. He's the perfect guy to take over Twitter because he's a no-nonsense individual, and he's a libertarian, which means he protects the free speech of others, even others that may disagree with him. But he's taken a total beating in the media. I mean, which is to be expected of the left. And the left interfered, of course, with they helped rig the election by claiming the Hunter Biden laptop situation was Russian disinformation, but that was, of course, all a lie, and they knew it. What was Russian disinformation several months ago is fact today, as is a lot of bull crap that's been going on. And for the first time, I'm actually have regained some confidence that the next election, it'll be more difficult to rig the next election, because I had zero confidence that we were ever going to see a free and fair election again in my lifetime. I mean, the way things are going, they figured out how to do it the last time. Stick with what works, right? But they had Twitter on their side the last time, and Twitter was liberated by Elon Musk for everyone, finally. It's not a monopoly anymore against the lies and the intimidation and the disinformation, whatever. So, very big news, very big deal for America, and the world. It's cause for celebration. Democracy has returned to the United States. Free speech has returned to the United States.